Welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. The link to our Instagram is in the description box. You can follow us there for some of the most interesting and amazing crypto content. Tectonic is one of the crypto that is trading higher than its price at the beginning of the year. Crypto works in the DeFi category, which is great because yield farming and token staking are gaining traction. Tectonic is a cryptocurrency market maker protocol, and its offerings are similar to other protocols like Uniswap. Users of Tectonic can participate either as liquidity providers or as crypto credit seekers. The former stake their crypto holding, which in turn creates liquidity and brings passive income in the form of interest to the individual. Borrowers are the ones who use these stake tokens to engage in short-term trading and profit-making. Tectonic is working to add insurance funds to the network very soon. So in the event of any lapses in an under-collateralized loan, this fund can act as a savior. Tectonic ranks quite low in CoinMarketCap's listing, but its price surge so far in 2022 has been phenomenal. The crypto recently registered over 15% in gains. If Tectonic finds more backers for its DeFi services, the price may go beyond $1 by 2025. Another key factor is that decentralized lending and concepts, like Web 3.0, may become a force to reckon with by 2025. If something like this happens and blockchain-based lending in crypto assets does become a big industry, Tectonic crypto may even reach the double-digit price territory in the coming 5 years. Its crypto's price movement relies both on the network's performance in the DeFi sector and on the overall price trend of the cryptocurrency market that has thousands of assets to explore. As of now, the DeFi sector has some very high market cap cryptos like Uniswap, Aave, and Compound, and Tectonic has yet to break into this league. History of Tectonic value. Tectonic, according to the credible data obtained from CoinMarketCap, was launched on December 23, 2021, with an initial cost of $0.00004027 and a trading volume of 7,695,883. Around this period, Tonic reached its ATH of $0.00004029. Days later, due to massive sell-offs and the overall decline in the cryptocurrency market, the token experienced a dramatic decline in trading volume and value. The price of Tonic T has decreased to $0.00004014, its all-time low ATL, by January 24, 2022. After more than 30 days, Tonic first showed a bullish power as the currency reached its highest price of $0.00001903 before seeing a decline in value. Forecast for Tectonic value 2023. The market for digital currencies is driven by unpredictability. Today, it is easy to speculate and keep track of the changing value. In this way, a large number of crypto examiners may end up being the most crucial element. The evaluated data is accurate for the cited years. Buyers of cryptocurrencies are nonetheless concerned about future restrictions and boycotts. On the off chance that the market has a strong bull run in 2023, Tectonic cost may surpass $0.00000017. Given that long-term investors often hold it, its average price in 2023 will be roughly $0.00000014. What factors affect the price of Tectonic? The organic market drives Tectonic's value activities, much as it does with other resources. Basic occurrences like halvings, regulations, acceptance by organizations and nations, cryptographic money exchange hacks, and other verifiable events have an impact on these factors. Many traders also seek to track the movement of Tonic whales components and individuals who own a lot of Tonic while formulating a Tectonic supposition. The Tectonic market is rather small in comparison to other business sectors. Hence, whales might have a significant influence on the market's cost trends. Is Tectonic an intelligent hypothesis? If you are considering adopting advanced monetary norms, think about investing in Tectonic. A protracted interest in the money might prove to be quite profitable. Furthermore, if everything goes well, it's anticipated to reach its all-time high in the ensuing couple of years. Will Tectonic be worth anything in 2025? According to several stages and experts, the price of Tectonic will continue to rise over the next 5 years, surpassing the $0.0000047 threshold by the end of 2025. Even though the price seems excessive, nobody is certain. Tectonic and other digital currencies are incredibly erratic and may change course at any time. How much will the Tectonic be worth in 10 years? The likelihood that Tectonic costs will increase to $0.0000304 in 10 years is astoundingly higher. Within the next 8 to 10 years, the value of one Tectonic can outperform a basic cost of $0.0000295 and an extreme cost of $0.0000348. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section. And do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.